guys. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're just tuning in, I'm Oluwabumi Adejumo by name. And yeah, this is my channel. And please kindly hit on the subscribe button, kindly smash the like button as well, and drop your comments in the section box below. For my returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you for always supporting me. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing this Canon M50 Mark II camera. This is actually my first camera ever, and I got it as well with a studio light. Yes, you heard me, a studio light. I'm trying to start up a photography career, so I wanted it to be more professional, so I got more lighting to set up my home studio. Yeah, I got everything from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below. I would not be unboxing the light, I will just be doing the camera review. So I got everything for about 1,050 Canadian dollars on Amazon. But yeah, let's jump right into it. So guys, this is the cam. Let's unbox. And if you need more info, you could check my description box. Let's unbox this baby. So the first thing you will see is well, I don't know what it is called, but it is like a warranty form, then followed by a manual or a guide for a novice like me. This is my first cam, so I really have no idea about cameras. And also it came with like to register something like a registration, I think to check the authenticity, I think. So the first thing we'll be unveiling is the strap. Yeah, every photographer has this strap, I guess. So yeah, it's a Canon strap you attach to the camera. I'll put that on the side, followed by the next thing I'll be opening is the lens. So it came with a 15 for the 5mm image stabilizer. Yes, a 15 for the 5mm. I actually thought it was an 18, but this is 15 for the 5mm. So this is what it looks like. It's not so big. I thought it was big actually, but it's not big. The next thing will be the battery. Yes, it came with a battery, so just one anyway. Also the body itself, I love how they wrap, or should I say protected, this thing so it doesn't break and all of that stuff. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty, very portable. And yeah, let's put that on the side. So the next thing will be the adapter. Yes, it came with an adapter, and this is what it looks like actually. And that's all. I was expecting a charger, a memory card or something, but this is just all it came with. So we have the body, that's the cam itself, the adapter, and the next would be just me positioning it, the lens, the battery, and the strap. So that's just all in the box. So I'll just unwrap the battery for you guys and try to set up the cam for you to see. So stay tuned as we put all this piece together. Yeah.